Oxbridge is a project of educational empowerment disguised as an honors thesis, a space to engage scholarly collaboration, to create deep friendships, to foster academic confidence, and to grow as a thinker, a writer, a leader, and a lover of truth. Oxbridge was my first experience within academia of being able to engage a research question on this scale of depth. Oxbridge gave me the practical tools to start learning how to research thoughtfully, but more than anything, it really affirmed the fact that it's still a very collaborative process between sharing research and peer editing each other's papers. I was able to so much more fully engage the text, but also form really deep relationships as not only friends, but fellow scholars. And I think that that's something unique to Oxbridge and really valuable, not only for people who are hoping to move forward into academia, but also just in learning how to have deep, meaningful relationships that are founded on big questions throughout our lives.